on group policy no maso asino a policy boy ya ba aban shasia e bo a teacher for so we teacher nko ande em so mo talk to e bi na atranchen bia toa omumbai dwemu ahwama this be to me Sunday enyare ketwa na mo minye teachernden seka kamidem obe kan bidem inti GSSIC live group policy ni die omusoma ba na ebeboa a teacher for se upemu enchechere bia na so we free telephone number no 050 145 6983 GSSIC group policy. Yeah, and then I did my power so. And then you made bia say Kabenya Kafro Nyan say Miana Suka Crown so yeah dear crown on tea. Na and then we were churching Yamakitu Bimu the adjuring a bit too mufu. Bear now to me, no me and saying a bit to me. Yina tititi bank savings and loans are sebi a buying IG or license. Na the omuni say who you be a who save you hodia. Na effectively no a buying see or do on such as here inti unsabeka usika emu enye but we fill forms liquidator no procedure kakra obehwehwe my investigation but can unsabeka usika na they hear me to true and they have me to true and I'm no baby di unkomo no o say wo digwai ebu onso na wo de we a customer of the bank but emu onye usika na akoto but wako firm sika e wo banko Sebi unoma yejuma be 2 years, 3 years, 4 years. Na emena so no musoma bo wa omabbo busia kakra. Na de busia no edi wujuma. Na de mu de ha enen de ayo semini say. Ye ma obusia no. O de kokra ne ma na be go store. We do wuni because busumbia besumbia na fin bia besumbia no utua usika no loan u service pepepe na samria savings and loans si bank na omubo busia na egui ni straight point ni say omba bejo musika na busia na mo de ma ho straight point omba beje busia na omde ma ho. On one aspect, omude omusika koto on there, yesi yebe mobi. Na wa okwaje busia o bank no afin wa she dwuma na sia nyese wa default mpo but emo obo homode no. Bank for no ebe receiver no be throw letter say oba beji sika no. Inti eba ne sa de bewam ni say ida se obetunton ohu ejapade ana se collateral security na odukosia owa no mi ho na enye default o na hia me no enye default nye se wonya de o betembo asemesi en bank ni ahodin bi mo no beko ekire tire se obelusu activity we nya another bank immediately me so umwa wenya another bank am so mu and take over sa e kano na kese djuma wati hu fifre obelusu o weka sa wo ebe kofie tell to me drink kakra inti it bring me back say kwan ben na ebe faso a yebe select bank a ye don be djuma ene seleto mun kwa wia enima ben na se me no yehwe because bank de esi homa ademienu ade mienu esi ho ma se ankra businesses won sika ade bekakoto eho se men be ya emre ne so a no mu hia sika no a omokogi sika no esi ho ma se ombekra bibi fiamonone se onuane wa monone na untumi nso sika no wo botom enfa ntukwa komo onuane ntino obeka kire bank ni se bank no omutua eka way on your behalf. Any one aspect. The second aspect ni say bank wo when bank no ba mis obebo obusia. Ema odu odi ayedwuma. Effectively no, there's one aspect of the banker only the bobusia and one aspect of the banker eji deposits. Anytime biara ube decide say ube here bank e de aye adwuma no esese oso ye pensem kakra. Very important. Esese bibi sikasem de anytime biara okodi sikasem se okofen abusia anaso odu sikakoto ho no esese wonya botre kakra ma ho na oye pensem kakra. Sanso na wankasa wo sika na nya bank bo na ade ko na so do kwakoma se microfinance so se non banking companies ibio esese wo yem pensem kakra eno die mean compromise mean too for se compromising sa America krebia wo de beye pensem no ubolus na oye ekito no anyepe se eba se o fall down obekọ down ena se wo ye pensem no a enkobisa obi keke bisa wo enimdie na afuto kakra bi afa aya ania ye niam bi ho a ha ye ne se yenji afutuo emfiri omo omunim ho yeji afutuo efiri omo yenim omo ho na se onum obi na ohun nimdie a ende eye ade papa but onum obi na onim ho animdie a ehunya so beji sa nyansa no efiri ho na ti said dia wuti pai wo na wakofre obi oton sebi oton ade okwa ho na wo sere ne se wuti pai wo ri na de dura menkoto wo bra doctor eben wo bra at least nurse kra ben na pharmacist kra ben wa obebisa no wa mbisa no ukobisa sana adna koye nti wa hwe ne yi na akoji afutuo na futuo nye papa efri obi ho no so ba yesi bank we dey good for sika koto se ne be 2 year 2 krofo yi amon for o mabre won sika echo down at least one day kwa the deposit for no mse become na de ha kakra ne se omo amakoji busia o bank no a ono de onti se omo ajibusia no a sebi niema nko yi nti omu ntumi ntu abusia ne kan onde odi no ni but because bank no car eko ejira no won begigi passenger for musisi obi anfa busia no begiye no it between affect businesses. In fact, it's affecting business. Yes, between it's affecting businesses. Tom Kramun San comes or more customers. Niman enya. Ti afene bi and so a bobo doors. A coco new bank say almost romo. And a new bank no say so because say unomunye juma dano unomunye juma enche no sin. Almost so much decide say and the only any juma kakra. For bear busuminsia afi baako ni ehu usu na oban yehu wia ye be decide se ampane pa ye betuma bobusia na se ye betumi enwa ye adwuma nti because of that ni na is slow our business side no nti mafuto ni se anytime bia obi decide se samre a obi take decision me pe o bank bi ene ne di enkuta ho no mesraw menye nkomo keke menkobisa osomesi bi keke mesraw ko bank wo na kobisa bank ni se mo product ene niema ben na mo die ho adwuma o bank ya oni bank ne nkodi enkita ho muni nkita ho a eho te na hotwa se na be ya obebisa ne questions kakra ebi afa won se o mo product edi na mo wo edi na me hwehwe misu se na me pe you know all the interactions men ko keke se me pacho me be bank account na we be now the company registration at the mano na adechi ya na ko yes ane no eskasem because ka hin so do suka na koto na wakofi akoda o sana se so hwade no usika na won wo de kwakoto na wakofi akoda into person so na pa obedru ho no na ukoku usika some more branch so many branch said then at least we sabe kan usika into wo so ye ho ana putuwa na mokakra menhwe obi enim enfan ko bi bank account no wa yempesem na wa get yourself convinced say ho na mpese me save you. Now, one of the first things I'll be consider before we select a particular bank and say, so Kojibusian banko, so on Kojibusian. So do Sika Kwakutu, as I say, make sure at least no bank no was size kakra and musu kakra. What in your bank be a what featuring. Enye sebi microfinance bi a won feature enye savings and loans bi a won feature at least no sa savings and loans no omo be 1 or 2 branches bi na de emuhia me pa ne se ese yesu ye try na yesu ye hu omo tai bank no nechi me kan shareholders because obi ebe na nkutebo na media nyemisika kakra bi na media me 100 yeah senia utumi ko uko ebisa nsem bi ni ma bi mfa utumi ko bi so bi ne yesa effort no because ideally say onia no be sa savings and loans bank no or you well endowed and onia no mu ye djuma ho no o wonim de obom humudi wodi woni atofom wa watch kakra unse ko sa particular branch no eho ye heja ena heja na ho nyina enyo bia na aka so kwako yisika free ho bebre ko ho nyina wodo sika ko wako ho be imprensa obia de sika ko na jese ho ye na bi wo abeko branch ni ubeko bank no ehu nyina empty any busy place hwehwemu ye say any holiday enye say dakrope na mo bibia no o empty a ebe din kakra say ebetumi edu akwachiri inti say factors ade mu nyina kan ena bi wo a edru ho o start here no o kwako yisika yesi twen kakra ye ba ye kwaba ye kujaba kwa twen kakra ebu so no mo twon bi sika ma na aba na so mo yibi ama se toso ba ko mienu miensa pacho kope bank foforo na yusika o no ba ko do bank ana usika no cry da ho na se usika no ho tono a ana no ho tono kakra fakoto treasure bill de aban and 20 bank no go cry and affect because once our paperwork in agent so say auto treasure bill through this bank no unsabe kan usika instantly na de ma me church sa de eye esi ye no nkofo be 9 num bi frame business union man ni member ni bi baako oton ade mu bi supply no em say bro na ne kan nyina odin kan nyina 5200 a year titis kan 50 million and 52 million and odi na bank account no ma onua no say o ya chioma me tiesika no gu my account no sene be ya we dey efu odofu sene be ya meyi sika no bi etua apafo no ampani apa otua tumu na edano a otua tumu no wanko bank no nkoyi adechi ya obekọ ya yesiye bank ne kan ayi ne ho inti sese fele forms na chere say proof which will be why ni na just be or which evidence ni sika e bank on there no fele forms na di han say apafo na we fom ho no mo don won twen won sika e de akọ inti on fele forms no up and down no na e ha no inti no kwa sa meno ano onyanya konya busia bi de kokotua wonka ema se aban ewie oye ne hihye nyina ewie by September mid September edeko end of September no na nka nisa akanisika but amaso inti no wa heje inti no ofre mi abomamane se dia na metumi aye amsi yedi ebedi inti no ane se afuto me de mana mbeka kirewe eno ane se nkofo no do mo ka no on fan pain sleep na damfo no etuatum no efon kire mo na on kire won se yebetua ka ebe fill forms no nyina be wie no na otwemi ensa no aba inti because of that no komunya onu ponya abusia na nkokogie a obetuansi ho nti omusika na bedi no ho a na se saa buso na otwemi ensa no ebeso a sensi hu bia ka onu kobo obusia do bemom no ode bebeka ho de amom in fact nyamincha de onom kudi sankomo no omugitu ama bibia atodin. But the point is that you be no be jatum. So didn't the can no obe kachireno. Inti se could be a banker. It is sika koto bank and the bank could ekudija. It's a CSA shim kakra. Men call banker and no kwa ni bibi. Chen kakra. Sebi se fi amono ni kra na ebibie na ebi wa amono na fi na bibie a branch wa ha ezisa wo ndi woni tum na ho amono no mu firi no eho te sei omunya problem ana omunya problem ho ti se ni so kase bibia me de family ho ebi ni obiom ti se sikasem de na o family ho na nyatwe jabe ebi ni obiom say can't be a beckham. Tis say ye bibiana a DNA at home, Scasem. Inti say old banker only ne juma. Na should be here. No save you. No I try. But me nkunte bokrachi with all humility. Message say ebeya ebribia no usum kodua usum bode anyi yekura no wo bank mienu bakon ha se na ebeya o business no enyina se na ebeya activity no ebekoso inti se ba kokora handle o suppliers and our workers pay na ba ko ye o customers any name at least we 2 banks You mean him crano? Abrafo company and I say a big companies in Musu Kakra, the Susacrano, won't into babies say a year or church on the banks no. Men cost spread it to but at least minimum one. But the way it's a business grower, so by one bank in poor Mr. And if a banker a P ache and your banker every 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 6 weeks, 7 weeks, I will be the dead or be catch the war. At least my monitor no nations will do 2 years, 3 years. And sana when we say who kwakoji busia omono only for 3 years accounts bra. It's almost bank sa bank na bafofra uso se unya mrese bank we minum be adwuma kra na afa na maba make sure say at least mudi afi ba ko na afi mi nuchi ansa na minum ba be adwuma into say bodo so odi chani bi to sa ama no na mo wodi dia abin e wo ho nimde esu adwuma. One of the observations are mesumehu me to move no. Yes, say small savings and loans in microfinance no. So option who say only na oba on chain. Ebe convince wa would could be account to hono. Now all of a sudden, Sadi adi enyami pa mpachumunti wa supreme. All of a sudden, only no every particular microfinance savings and loans no. And a call before for her. And no buyer or becatcher say, she said, Mini Sapat Bank any me or Bank B. Nemo, the woman would Bank B say, your new bank in the meet my name Papa Mount, since Bank A no Miss Row. Or none of beton Bank A mao a coming. Men follow on a personal agenda. But you men follow sa bank cannot buy on the personal agenda. Because on no bank A and maybe I could a cost into a cook bank B into a done in who ever catch yourself for Usikanbra bank B, name will hold the meet my name and Papa Mount. Now you see can every bank A, walk bank B. Bank B, near one castle promise on Bayamanum. I can say, I feel start here, bring. I feel for no crown on fat. Or so, Gusu, obey you, and me the court obey you. Into one casano, ye home research, ye home person, and son of a good cigar got to go. And now this canoe got to us, say, TT. Men concentrating at the ton kwa and no supplies in kwa T news. Shede koso discussion. So that on react. Sabio say jumane sudia o accountant or show sikasuma. In Tony de obu ni maybe a kind maybe at maybe a react faster. But because we are owner manager company no wow business wow diano. As I say, no, drain out it near my cacao move. Assurance cacao woman say, at least depositors none dear will be answered by Sika per Bank of Ghana and then Tony dear, in any ajo. But the other side of it, they say, Mom Koji Busiano, Mom to any dear, a different kettle of fish will be better. Because Omukra and to Antina a bank near called down in the first place. Apart from say a pennyfoot near my BCCC. Move from into for me. So saving some microfinance. Small microfinance. I took about when yes business on the end cry maybe a 10 a mechanic 1,000. Now it should be on about 1,000. It will have 500 no major ho. Ana bibisa nenso obano driver officer ejesisu car no wonu di nkomo na ejesisu ninna science ni bi no na jeso because wo a oba bejisika no order kwa enu kra no ukra wedu muka na atio there's no way, because as long as a car no but never get to them nature car ni siwa driver team papa ne basro as ni ska him be no ba gine genesis no petrol car ben in the car no it nature say one way ni here there's no way sa bank no with many profit because there's a lot of waste. And as our waste no so a bit me affect profitability and affect profitability a bit more affect almost repayment of depositors money to me count the both us ye bank we that be yes sir also bank be oba obesi obi besi obi say account money oba wa parking the car odumja we see from ono obedi nkomo ono akasa oko. No waste, no ifs, no but. Intenuka chrawade. Apart from other ones na make kind. Inti esese wohwe na wohwe ne ye. May allow obi individual person be recommended be keka bibi che na wokohwe. Because omwa omakoje busia na omunsesi fom nyina no a niema sese omutipa om nyina no make would be kra no na a recommendation be a free bank officer be by. Sometimes utumu situation be wa be ubeka managers be triphobia prekopero ma resign. Hey, almost someone come say Mr. Ko use ka free ho. Say no, me be an tantra hobby. Ye active wo usika semu. Ye very active wo usika semu no. A principle into say usika ne 10 Ghana, 20 Ghana, 40 Ghana. Ye. They hear me there. Say no, gradually ye mu be through a foot to nintino ye wisi sika. Nti say 10 Ghana or 20 Ghana or 40 Ghana or the mobile money when the mobile money account mu. And a mobile money account and yet company kitty be na ye mobile money no. A telcos akese. Nti onu kra kwa ye mobile money a. So make sure say almost. Nti udu any firm kra na em say Ghana MTN na Vodafone na Tigo Glo de omo nyibi minim say da omo nyibi Glo cash minti da omo nyibi. Nti because of that no say we make sure say oh so yeah na big one yenim twati we hu into 10 Ghana 20 Ghana be sure bottom and kabedi ni nyafu no na show mobile money account no we are readiness is scanning soon kakra na da koto u savings account ewo banka wa woni tua se o mobile check enye enansa because enra banki ayane hadwi na me come lecture baby and I make her say sometimes you know yes you can be we need to say at the starting a microfinance and no baby na be savings and loans up a bank and na him be a normal base mainstream bank and so usha obo say nkofo na almost 30 for microfinance once no dey abepim savings and loans once na Baba Universal Bank unim there's a possibility of failure because adwene ni ahoden a ye de ye microfinance no enye the same thing ye de ye mainstream banks requirement no kwa asoso nti esese ye de ye ni ehwehwe ho aban so ye besrem mo make sure say financial literacy education no so e wo so kakra because a kaba una ese akukudro una ese oji tum nti se yes aban so ebo modern na education so ehuhia sanso na se non-banking financial institutions no so ba na ye be catch say interest amount say ya misrew dwene hu yie se obi advert ana signboard BC billboard ye friend no esi baby na wa catch say interest certain percentage be wano na bisa onua no se pay what no baby I had you know pay what because interest per month and say per annum so be catch say per month udie one co school crown mo be multiply by 12 months nema per annum into osifa osika beto no ho na obema o 5% no be say 5% e dey osi o per month you per month no o multiply by 12 o simple calculation am you o 60% na misre bisaso say 60% no sa particular non-banking financial service company no say obema bisa hu say kromwa bank for no kra omo hu nimdie amo ye no interest ahe na omunya say ana omutua intie de na mainstream bank go be abeto no dem mainstream banks kra returning 7 maximum 12-15% per annum no be so about 60%. Mr. Too good to be true. Shana man one ka say o na wo mu de ne ye pa na fa kwese bibiara ye pa no hwe the risk. Potokasa yesi the higher the risk, the higher the return. Inti so bi ka say amount way interest way 60% per annum. We need to say government treasury bill cry 15% per annum. Nature is difference by 45. Enya no cry. Enchebegu. Enti yesu say e dey important pa na sa company no sika business be no ya I bet you am return kakakasa na mainstream banks need to mean. The gap always no and it shouldn't be too big. Ntomo ofa adena munhwe ni yekaka. Na mumboa yehu. Na mutu nkofofo. Ebi wo mo bibi mo friend no lost leader. Nti nyina si ade eyini na nipa be 2 3 4 bi wo mi so ye me di misika koto ye because ebi wo ha ye lose ye yusu omo. Nti obe nipa be 4 5 bia one day omu use o as a marketing expense into wo kasa adne nye no obi friend no bisano a said na advert obi friend no bisano so makoje me de gra into no kwa to me attractive nina no a part of the financial literacy education say yedi ehu eduma inti mafuto kakra amede mamono no me kwa koton de ba me ba me be telephone line no na wo question bi bisa me de me chire ho a me tumi atom boss a chire because sikasem de tena kuntebu o ha.
My name is Juliana Obu. My husband was a teacher in Apau Wawase in the Ayenswano district. He was killed by a bus whilst he rode his motorbike to school one morning. He left me and our 3 children so suddenly. I received an amount of 18,000 Ghana cedis from the GSSIC Life policy to help me get back on my feet and expand my trading business to take care of my children.
The GSSIC Life Insurance policy eases the stress and burden of a teacher's family should the unforeseen happen. Call 0501 694554 or log on siclife-gh.com. SIC Life, absolute peace of mind.
SIC Life. Ebusiafo me wa sembika. Dan wa no pebi na me se me kosra maso woni fie.
Hey, asil kono for calibers. Udi ebremu e.
Enti komodi die mu na mete wa na de hwehwem bi tu fa me hwenim. Wa na metwa me ni sharp. Na me say, aso we di mpacho me gunsu abakakra. Enso sa meboa. Na oni bebiam kopie ye. Kitchen santai. Bitu meni na bi bisija so. Na me say, me beso oja na we di me hwankwa. Me de vim bie so. What hell wow. Sana ye ana perfumed rice. Left, right, Ubiamba, and I make Kamano. Succulent, 100% super jasmine rice.
Hey, Calibos, who ya den waha?
Yeah, chame. Oh, I saw it. Take a crab and why? And not perfume rice, the family's choice. So pedidwe to our friend 0261 576496.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Malaria fever, loss of appetite, say a punua, Wolam Yawaya, Oluatuna something in
Tabia Heba Mesha, Usunumbi.
Oya godini ba anase berima opanyini anase abofra obi a wanya kwanhia wo nompe anase achikasemu hawo no kawakoma to yem for niche give scientific herbal clinic na ho ne be show very powerful ama wo ha nyina afri so
je wo adokitafo a wakwadre wo sre nsa ene nan enkasaya a emu abuo achikasaya ne nompe nkaye nyina ho hawo
yesan so trete nipadua emadidie ho akwankyere amiami amekyere massage bi de ye betene tedi ama wo si yetwa nipadua mu mfoni ene mogya mu hwehwemu biara no so wo honam mre Ofa chucho anumunka tipaye atridi madedia sisi yade ewa ebunu brefo Fabra Giver Scientific Herbal Clinic near show yade
ye adwuma fi dadwada kwesi memenda anapa na so de kwesi anwumre no nsia
rechi kwan e wo teshi twi bleu ebe bamboo sport wa obetumi afre 0240 143 267 and 0268 215 489
Nkwentabo krachi jumedie na Samre wasugusa wutie wo Asempa FM. Me telephone number ni 0302 216 545. Ana se 0302 216 546. Na meka nyina no. Se u business no bibia untanka nema wa broche dia. Eno ane se would you be working with the Savings and Loans Bank? At least you were approved once. Would survive? Almost spreading. Wounding now, Hamsaminia, listen, crowd, baby. A bit to say a be national at the Shimai Advanced Ghana. Bond savings and loans, Bayport, direct savings and loans, and easy savings and loans, and Jinx savings and loans, and Pan Africa savings and loans, and Progress savings and loans. Yes, also you track savings and loans. At least Omo be 21 as a dende a honti. Ebi intuition na wejuma no yes and no importation, a local business there. No one started with savings and loans. But if you know wejuma no a mononi a obe krakra de free mononi dia. And then na you. Me patch your telephone number near. Hello. Patch your name.
I'm Pacho John in you.
Join you.
Good morning.
Morning.
Yada wasini every Wednesday be on church or the chain or Unkutabu Ejuma de so. You. Now me fall Asempa me to me and say major man so conkind. Now back on me so me contribute one say. Sometimes a business mami will say business yento idea customers are like won't you can for the period of time and I was one free now won't be so more correct. Now me answer me yes me won't say me nyoma correct. We there was new on church or the train.
Hello.
Good morning.
Morning, you.
But about you know come before.
You but it you.
That is a mission in church. Now, bank is my okay, my dean, my teacher, I no clear. Now, let me see bank board passing. A bank on bar from what do 1 million go to a high, I'm not going to go to one amount to my back. And so the 1,000 go to one amount to my back for 10. It is me who's going to go to an and I'm the ton to my day. And the choco also. Would be the children there be bank up in Papa community toward the Miss and your bank. Daddy, I'm going to secure that. 2,000 got home, at 20. Then I think we scanner because Congress say, Minan to wash answer. They do something like 1,000 per 1,000 car ABC in there. You can week per bank in the way. Oh, Daddy, and check you the man because they be a crepper, my put to papa. I'm a 1,000 I can share. I'm sure about Daddy.
That's so powerful. Telephone number hello telephone number is 0302 216 545 and I say 0302 216 546 and I say 05 only the WhatsApp number me 0302 216 hello Yeah, Pacho, you were a crave, mommy.
Yeah, Daddy, Pacho, good morning.
Morning.
Pacho, I'm very
Pacho, you were doing a crave, mommy, and a June.
Okay. Pacho, I'm very soon. Now, me prefer be much about life insurance policy.
Okay.
Me yeah insurance be. Now, keep me papa and mommy. Then it's a month to be 50. And I'm telling me understanding about life insurance policy. Me say, can I more? And I said, because me say teachers maybe 10 city it will end up with 14,000 plus. Into me the share of
a teacher for a group. A group into Modos until say 1,000 crown, a JJ be 10. Into nature is a nipper 1,000 or about 10,000. So, and to say, oh, we do baby, like a group cost never buffer. But we individuals are internet, oh, tears are figure.
Today, now why insurance?
Patcho you. You.
I'm sure.
Hello. Me patcho me telephone line no yeah 0302 216 545 and now says 0302 216 546. Now you say hello.
Hello, good.
Yes, sir. Patcho, I knew.
Patcho from Joe.
Joe, it you.
Okay. Yeah, that's me. Juma Power, yeah, a boy.
Yeah, the young company.
Me Patcho, me tell me here. I say advice, Kakra. na me a taxi driver.
Okay.
So me a savings kakaka anti sa bank crisis na buy no. Me decided say me anka make it me sika me when na wo fi. So since bank crisis na buy from last year, sika me when na me keep fi. So me bisa say I advisable and na to see because dem bo crash we bet me recommend bank dia am say ko hasi.
Yo. The woman is first and foremost no. Koto koye mobile money not transfer to mobile money account. That's one. 2, because we are taxi driver no frequency of going to the bank no. So maybe bank maybe Saturdays I ben wo na okoko save na bank sebi enye no na buy say ko bank ache who say this medical describe no who say nkofoko na about savings and loans once almost surviving there. They just say Bank of Ghana clear omo. Bank of Ghana clear there from now on no. They just say monitoring a very strong, supervision a very strong. They just say strengthen and improve sinkanino as we speak. Into there are quite a number of savings and loans bank, but the other share who say savings and loans banker e back up and a branch cry ni ho. And saying this, so do we need to form. My training in other, so do we need to form. But the fundamental one is for Sikakoto Bank, I check a crack for some time. New ones now, but no more operating so in check a crack and so do we Sika Akakoto.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. All right. Hello. Okay. My telephone number is 0302 216 545. And now it's 0302 216 546. Hello.
Hello.
What do I know?
Me bacho me bese me contribute to the program.
Go ahead, oh.
Yeah. Edawasi me jumapa oye. Na yeah, abaya juma titun chafonu ye break too much. And do ankwa message amenya efi this local financial institution. Edu 100. Ni nyina ni say banabeji loan na faye we. Now so omo for that could say omo this business idea they want to educate us to invest in it that. Oh, ni nyina ni say brabeji zika funira aware enye CCR nkofo a abai odi car ebe bi kwa wasi car no car CCR banabeji. Oh, omujuma na wo yema ntie da wasi nyame sro.
Yo, oni me ka bibi kakra fa ho. Sho. Sa omo backgrounds eton debt no. Omo ye sales people. Inti ye manu commission on number of data waton. And because usika no ye be TF controller inti or secured. Na busia yenton busia ma. Eye busia should happen when you need it. Wo na wachiri wona ohia busia nyese obi abeka kire se bro bra beji busia mo dabi neke se o kwakoto ade not because you need it but because you feel say it is cheap and I say it's made available. Yenji busia when we need it, not when somebody says it. Especially omomo ya ben juma no. Men follow omo various government institutions say ye tonka inti bebe tobi. Yeah, anybody obe tonsa obe tosa aka no and oba ko jisa abusia no onye ready no we deny u future. I repeat, anybody obe ko jisa busia no onye ready but obi na eka no akoji binum what deny wo future na ye bibia etumi ha nkofo bebre because obi wo office ena aban office ena obi ababeton kare waji enti wakaka kire we so ono so akoji bi oji sika no so wa fa nkofi ena be ka enti every month bia ye te no na je se wa ye basa Why basa anyway Samri say me ya wrap up kakra next week nyampa me ye bibi kakra bi afa life insurance na ma ye e kano especially government establishment no they will rate omuri digigi bosiano enye all because you say this kind of bibi it is because I am a part of us inti ojekasa oyetu ekono sankojibi oyetu ekono kosankojibi de bia because omo band omo ton ade omo sales people omo ton ade wan ta onu nyamfa so uta no di nyamfa so dasane ebeba na eno abeto so onyankopon onkan